In this video, we delve into Tempo Labs, an AI-powered development platform designed to streamline the creation of React applications. Tempo Labs offers a visual editor that allows developers to build and modify UI components effortlessly, integrating AI assistants to accelerate the development process. Users can generate full-stack applications using text or image prompts, with the platform providing architecture diagrams and code snippets to kickstart projects. One of its standout features is the seamless integration with GitHub, enabling real-time collaboration and version control. However, some users have reported challenges, such as limited support for frameworks beyond React and occasional issues with AI-generated code requiring manual adjustments. Despite these drawbacks, many developers find Tempo Labs to be a valuable tool that enhances productivity and simplifies the development workflow. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, Tempo Labs offers a promising solution for efficient React app development.